In today's video, we're making a 1/24 scale RC course. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, hope you're having an awesome day. As always, it's Brandon with RC Car Fleet. In today's video, we're going to be working on my crawler course. As you know, I've already made one, but I'm actually redoing it completely. So I'm going to show you guys. I got a little garden bed on the side of the house here. It's nothing special. As you can see, I just took all these rocks out. I want to make it way better because it was just random stuff kind of piled up. So now what I'm going to do is, first of all, we're going to de-weed everything and lay a nice little weed fabric here and cover the whole thing. So I still have to, I'm only halfway down removal. I need to remove all this, lay all of it, pull weeds, then lay all of it. That way there's none of these weeds that come through. It's really frustrating. I made this course and this is what it looks like. I'm on farmland, so it's just nuts. This stuff grows in a week, 2 weeks, I'd say. I'm not even kidding. It grows like crazy out here. And I want to make it a lot less thrown together and a lot more it's a course. So first thing I'm going to do, guys, is continue to take this apart. So we're going to take all this off, back it up to here, kind of like this. Also, my deadbolt can actually crawl this the way it sits, all the way to here. So my deadbolt is extremely capable. Also another reason why I wanted to redo this, because I'm going to make it a lot harder. We're going to take it apart in 3, 2, 1, boom. Just like that. Got ourselves a good base again. Now we're going to throw our liner on and make sure no weeds come back. All right, guys, there it is. I think it's the perfect size. We're probably going to go about to there. So if you need to get to the hose, you can. We'll just, I might as well use the cloth all the way to the end though. Stop weeds. I want it to be proper, done right this time around, not just sent together. Alrighty guys, so it just jumped a bit, I know. I've just been kind of plucking away. So we got some houses from the dollar store. Could paint them up still. Little scale area. Got some construction cones from the dollar store. Spider just webbed this whole thing. Are you kidding me? Let's get all that web out of there. But got some tires. I've got that old body of my drift car. Can that came with, oh my gosh, that's insane. Can that came with that Endura accessory kit, some signs and stuff, houses, little area, park up next to it, looks cool. But I've been collecting rocks and just kind of going all rocks for the most part. That way you can move it and it's pushes down the weeds and everything. So you can see weed there, that's kind of it though. But it's pretty cool. I'm super happy with it. We got tons of objects, really hard trails. I want all my rigs to do. Stock rigs can still do it too, which is nice. This is kind of just a cluster, but yeah, I really like it so far. It's definitely not done. We got tons of room to add some more stuff. It's really cool though. I really like it. I still think I need a big hill or something, like a mountain, kind of to get everything involved. Maybe back in this area we'll do a up high section that you got to wheel up to somehow. But yeah, we kind of got to that line there because you still need to get to the hose if you need it. So yeah, tons of room, and it's just rocks kind of placed in a certain way that not really rhyme or reason, just kind of, I like the uphill and downhill and bridges and stuff. Kept a bridge back there. This side doesn't get wet, so you can see everything's dry, but as you come out here it'll get wet. So I had a bridge here that was like popsicle sticks. I left it in the rain and it kind of got destroyed. So that's why I use this type of stuff. This stuff doesn't get destroyed in the rain, but if snow comes, which is coming in a few months here, so we'll see how it holds up. Okay, so me and Albert fabbed up a Teeter Totter. Check this out. Look how cool this thing looks. So these are just dollar store landscape posts, and these are dollar store popsicle sticks. We got some extra screws laying around. We put it together, so you come off this guy here, come down, you get up this rock, now you got the teeter. So you're gonna go up it, slow down, it's gonna shoot you out right into this little perfect rock design for it, right on this rock, and then you keep going, and it goes, resets. That would be literally a $5 project right there. Super simple, not even $5, and it took us about 20 minutes. Okay guys, so jumping a bit here again. We now have a catio beside the course, so you can come crawl with us. I've done a few different things since the last part, which is this middle section. So I kind of built it up with some broken concrete from our old deck that we had in the back. So you can see it's kind of like just built up. Also added this section here, ramps and stuff. We can make it harder, easier, whatever the heart desires. Come over here, we added this little section, so it's more of like a kind of balance, go up. I'm not too sure about this. I was thinking a mud pit. I just don't want to run good trucks through a mud pit because it kind of ruins them. I do have 3 RCs, so one of them might just be a mud build, but I'm not sure if I want to leave that there. It's kind of temporary. And then yeah, you can see the Teeter Totter, threw some more rocks back there. But this is it so far. This is going to be the end of part 1, guys. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. I'm open to hearing them, just because I'm kind of stumped. I think I need a bigger mountain or something, kind of in the middle, so like you can test your like incline and decline. There's like a mini mountain I just made, but maybe from there we get more and even go higher. Just shoot it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.